let's look at a key case in tort for the area of private nuisance. This case is Crown River Cruises Limited and Kimbolton Fireworks Limited, and it was heard in 1996. This case concerns the claimant, Crown River Cruises, bringing an action against the defendants, who were Kimbolton Fireworks. Kimbolton Fireworks were responsible for a firework display which took place on the River Thames in London to commemorate the 50th anniversary of the Battle of Britain. The claimants, Crown River Cruises, owned 2 barges which were permanently moored near the location of the firework display. During the display, a wedding party was aboard one of the barges, and this barge suffered a small fire on board due to falling firework debris from the display which Kimbolton Fireworks had organised. In this case, bringing an action for private nuisance, it was found that Kimbolton Fireworks were liable for causing a nuisance. This case looked at the duration of the interference in nuisance, and you can use it in an exam and in your answers to support this point, because of course you are aware that when looking at a claim for private nuisance, you have to try and balance the conflicting interests of the 2 parties, and one of the ways that you do that is by looking at a number of factors, one of them being the duration of the interference. Now, it will generally be seen that the more often something happens, the more likely it is to be a nuisance. So if there was a nightly firework display, then this would likely to be a nuisance. However, it was seen in this case that in the right circumstances, even a single event can amount to a nuisance if it is of such intensity that it can be a nuisance. Here it was seen that it was inevitable that for a 15 to 20 minute display, debris, some of it which was hot and burning, of course, from a firework display as one would expect, would fall upon nearby property and would create a nuisance. Therefore, this is a really important case to use when looking at duration of an interference, and to remember that even a single instance can be held to be a nuisance if it is seen to be of such an intensity.